Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present demo on item-based cycle counting plan. Click modules. Under modules warehouse management, setups. Under setup cycle counting, click cycle counting plan. Click on new. Create a cycle counting plan. So I choose item butter, for example. Cycle counting plan butter. One, one. This one is this one required work template. I'm choosing this one. Click on item based cycle counting. Click on save. Click on new. In sequence number, just specify one. Then it will enable define product query. And here you just specify which item you want in cycle counting plan. So I'm choosing butter. Then click on OK. Then click on process item based cycle counting plan. Run. OK. Operation completed. Cycle count work has been created. For this we need to again warehouse management, cycle counting and open cycle counting work, and for just click 1519, and here is butter. This is created, and here this work ID is created. So now we need to use a mobile app to close this work. So for this we need to open mobile app or handheld device. We need to specify user ID and password. Cycle counting guided, and this is not skip skip yeah, this one bulk. So our item lying in the bulk location, item is butter, and we'll see this quantity on hand quantity. This one, this product information management, release product, butter, manage inventory, on hand inventory. So we have physical available 100. So now I'm defining, for example, worker go inside warehouse, and as per the system, uh, on hand is 100 quantity showing, but the physical available quantity say 200. So there is a 100 quantity discrepancy. So I'm clicking OK. Again, system asking, are sure this is 200 quantity? I'm saying yes, 200 quantity. Finish. Now it is finished. Okay. Now we go to work. The work status should be closed. Okay. Now it's moved. Now this is moved, and same work ID should be go to here warehouse management, cycle counting. Under cycle counting work pending review, and this one 24 June 1519. Same ID created that we have created in open cycle counting. There is no duplicacy. So now you can see the butter and this quantity. So now user go, and the concern specific the worker who's authorized to approve or is it under work under cycle counting. And here can see The expected quantity as per the system is 100, but we have counted 200 quantities. So there is a 100 quantity discrepancy. For this, there is a one workflow is there. So this we need to the worker will submit to the concern the approver who is authorized to approve. Either he reject. Once he reject, then the worker again need to recount. For this workflow, I show you where this is. This is you need to go warehouse management, collapse solve, warehouse management workflow, and this is the workflow cycle counting pending transaction. And one more thing, warehouse management parameters, cycle counting. This should be enabled, otherwise we are not able to view the workflow. Similarly, this also generate cycle counting for work for rejection. Okay, and here I also click choose butter. Let me check. Okay, save. Now I'm submitting workflow. Please approve. Workflow history, click. Okay, this is done by myself. So here the approver have right, either he can approve or reject. So once he clicked approve, then this is the happy path. It will create the cycle counting general, and once he reject, then again it's going to create another open cycle counting work with new work ID. So for demo purpose, I'm going to show you the reject initially. So I'm rejecting, and I'm writing please recount again. Okay, and I count workflow history completed. So now the this symbol indicate that this one is rejected. And here you can see one more thing, like we have work ID 1519. So this will move uh, from the from the pending cycle counting review, cycle counting for pending review. So I'll show you once I go back, once I refresh, no more here, and 1519. Once I click here, again no more here. So now this move to again to open cycle counting work. Once I click here, then again the one more ID is created, that is 1513. Same button. Then we need to same process we need to follow for example, like just now show you. Again we need to close this, so by using the mobile app. So I'm using mobile device. First cancel this. Okay, again cycle counting and police skip this, skip this, and butter. So here I'm specifying, for example, 100 quantity. There is a no discrepancy, or just leave it. I just put again 200. Okay, okay, and 200 again. Work is completed. Now again go pending cycle counting but pending review, and here same ID created 1543. Again I need to go work under cycle counting, then here 100 and 200. So now this time I am accepting this cycle counting. This time I will accept. Workflow history. Workflow. I am approving. Approved. So once we approved and it will go through workflow, then the journal will create it. First I'll check the status of workflow. Completed. Yes, so now you can see the journal is posted 1401. Thank you.